We got all kinds of trucks here. They got the cones out in the road a little bit. They're working on that. Yeah, they're still working on that last section to get the pipes in the ground. Now, as I turn left, go across and turn left, I want you to pay attention to the fiber drilling machine. Over a year ago, oh, see, they're bringing dirt back. There you go. Sunbelt Rentals, I know where they rented that truck. You see the water tank there, and you see this, they're putting fiber in the ground here on this side, the north side of US 64. Back more than it was almost 2 years ago, they did the south side. That was the first side, all along it. See it here? And you see the flags down here? That's what it's about. So I often wondered, were they really only going to do one side, and how were people on this side of the road serviced? The answer is somebody else is now doing the north side of US 64 in this stretch. Steve A. before you, just me, Nosey, saying see you in 73.